Hi, this video is to demonstrate that I was able to communicate over two microcontrollers using USART and an RF transmitter and receiver, as you would commonly find in an RC car, which interestingly enough, this project will eventually become an electric, almost RC car. Now, I've got up and down working, and I've got left and right working. But more importantly, I've also encoded variable speed. So here's slow, medium, and fast. And it goes in both directions. And even allows for diagonal motions. This proof of concept was incredibly difficult and cost me basically 2 weeks worth of sleep. But I can't begin to explain how satisfied I am with the results. I hope the next part's a bit easier. I intend to just snap my fingers a few times and poof, here comes the car with the A, I hope. Still, I think I'm only the third person in the history of 122A to get RF working properly. So I basically just made this video to brag. It's also 2 a.m. and I'm dying inside, but I had fun. Thank you.